If you ever notice small dark patches on your skin that weren't there before, well, they don't hurt, they don't itch, but somehow they make your skin look older than you feel. Come closer. This video is for you. Something easily accessible could help you fade them, so you don't need expensive creams. Neither do you need complicated treatment. You only need two simple ingredients, which is lemon and honey, and they really do work. So this is not just another internet myth. The result might completely change how you see your skin. So let's get to it right here on Essential Chaos. Let's understand what's actually happening on your skin before we jump into the remedy. Age spots, otherwise known as liver spots, are caused by excess melanin. Think of melanin like your skin's natural ink. It gives your skin its natural color and protects it from the sun. But when your skin is exposed to too much sunlight over time, it's like pressing print too many times on one spot, and the result is dark patches that slowly appear on areas like your face, hands, and shoulders. This is where lemon comes in. It is more than just a fruit. It is packed with citric acid and vitamin C. This means a lot for your skin because citric acts like a gentle exfoliator. Think of it like wiping dust off a glass surface. Yes, that is how it helps remove the top layer of dead, dull skin. Also, vitamin C helps reduce melanin production. Think of it as lowering the ink supply in your skin. So over time, this can make dark spots appear lighter. Honey is also important. It plays a key role of balance. This is because lemon alone can be a bit harsh. Honey comes in to play a crucial role of natural cushion for your skin. It hydrates your skin, it has mild antibacterial properties, and it also helps prevent irritation. So if lemon is the cleaning agent, then honey is the protective shield. So to prepare the remedy, we will only need two ingredients. That is 1 teaspoon fresh lemon juice and 1 teaspoon raw honey. Gently mix both ingredients in a small bowl. Stir until smooth. Apply a thin layer to the dark spots only. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water, then pat your skin dry gently. You only need to use this remedy 2 to 3 times a week. You can't use it every day because your skin needs to recover. It is the same thing as when you go to the gym. Your muscles don't grow during the workout. They grow during reset. Now your skin works the same way. You want to consider these safety important tips. Always do a patch test first. Lemon can make your skin sensitive to sunlight. Also, never forget to apply sunscreen during the day. Skipping sunscreen is like cleaning a window and then immediately throwing dust back on it. This way, you won't see the results. This is not an overnight fix, so you may start noticing changes in 2 to 3 weeks. Spots may gradually look lighter and blend better with your skin tone. Remember, consistency is key. I want to be clear on realistic expectations. This remedy can only help fade mild age spots, but it may not completely remove deep or stubborn pigmentation. For more serious cases, professional treatments might be needed. So remember, dark spots are not bad aging. They are a natural response to years of protection and exposure. Bye!